We're going to call you Billy, okay?
All right.
All right, we got Billy. He presents today. He's got this cyst-like structure here. It's freely movable. It's kind of spongy feeling. It's about the size of a marble, wouldn't you say? Hey, how long has it been there?
About 2 years.
About 2 years. Okay, and it's never really drained or anything like that, right?
Nope.
All right. Well, we're going to start with a little anesthetic, and we've got some lidocaine with epinephrine, so let's get some cold spray. We've got Nancy helping us today. Hi, Nancy.
Hi.
A little cold spray there, please, ma'am. Get a little closer. There you go. There you go. Little stick, sting, and a burn. You ready? How'd I do? Was I right?
You don't even want to talk.
Our friend Billy's not a talker today, is he? You don't have to talk. Don't worry.
Just gritting my teeth.
Is it bad? Is it hurting?
No, it's just a little pinch.
Little sting? Yeah, it's not that bad. We're just taking it slow here. And a little more over here. So Gonzo's doing the filming on her own camera today, right, Gonzo?
Oh, y'all?
Yeah, because somebody forgot his camera phone at home today. Yeah, thanks a lot. All right, gonna do the scoop technique here. Get that cap back on, and we're gonna drop that off into the bin. All right. So you want to come over here?
Above your head.
Yeah.
And I'll let Nancy be on that side.
Good.
It's easier.
Does it feel kind of like it's asleep now?
A little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Let's start with, we're going to make a little incision here. You might feel some pressure, but hopefully you won't feel any pain, okay?
All right.
Good. Yeah.
I get excited for the weirdest things.
I'm going to tell you right now that what I'm seeing here is a sebaceous cyst, okay?
All right.
So it's full of a cheesy kind of oily stuff that's dried, okay? So what you had was you had a plugged oil gland at some point in the past, and it just sort of continued to collect oil, okay?
Oh, all right.
Yeah. So when you see this video, you'll be interested to see what it looks like.
I never want to see what that looks like.
You never want to. You know, that's not required either. You really don't have to. It kind of looks like we're removing an eyeball right now.
Yeah, I definitely don't need to see that.
Yeah, you don't. What do you think, Gonzo? Pretty interesting?
Pretty interesting.
It makes it even nicer when you get it out in one.
Yeah, the whole thing comes out in one end block, so to speak. We'll try not to break that open. Boy, that would be great. This could almost be a souvenir, you know? Feel like going to a baseball game, getting a foul ball, you know?
That looks like it.
It kind of does.
I'd rather you not, because that's X-File stuff right there.
Yeah, no. We're not going to do anything like that. We're just kind of talking quietly amongst ourselves here about things that we find fascinating. When you deal with the same old things kind of every day, and you see something really interesting like what you've got here, well, we just celebrate the moment. You feeling any pain?
Nope.
Man, you're doing fantastic. I think this is about to come on out. It does.
Sometimes when they break open.
This one's got some odor to it.
I
But
don't
it's,
smell it.
well, hopefully it's not going to, I don't want to squeeze too hard on it, so I'm trying to grab it from the edge so that it doesn't break open.
It's so crazy.
I know. There we go. I got a good grip on it now. He said just as it fell off. All right, Gonzo, behave.
I'm not doing nothing.
You, sir, just gave birth to a beautiful sebaceous cyst. Look at that.
Ooh.
That's just marvelous. That's a thing of beauty.
That's so crazy.
Okay. Come back. We're going to make sure you don't have anything else in there. And you do not. That's all nice and clean. So we're going to throw a few stitches in here and you're going to be done, okay?
All right.
Did you feel any pain on that?
Nope.
You want me to take my scalpel?
Yes, please.
All right, Tita. Just you want to record the stitches part?
Yeah, why not? That was pretty quick, so we record putting a few stitches in too. Some people kind of like that. Can you trade places with me, Gonzo, again? I need to kind of move over that way a little bit. Yay! Alrighty. So anything in the news you want to talk about? You don't have to, yeah.
I don't really watch the news.
Yeah, it's probably
It's probably for the best.
yeah, I tell you what, I don't disagree with that at all. This is 4-O-ethanol. The scalpel we used was a number 11 blade. The injection was 1% lidocaine with epinephrine. Sorry, Gonzo, you didn't get to cut.
No, you can get Nancy to cut.
She could cut. You could cut Nancy if you wanted to. Actually, where am I? Here we go, my forceps. Thank you. I think we're going to give you 3 little stitches. Here's what's going to happen. Yeah, that was about the size of a marble. I'm surprised that never drains. Sometimes they don't, though, even though they are clearly a sebaceous cyst. So today is the 1st of July, right?
It is.
The year was halfway over yesterday.
Now this year's gone by way too fast for me.
I know it has. A lot of exciting things, though. Huh?
One more year left until next return to school.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I'm excited about that.
I imagine so.
And then I can become a doctor.
It's easy. Anybody can do it.
But didn't you get your certification at the flea market? I'm just kidding.
The flea, yeah, thanks a lot. No problem.
As we're stitching up the patient.
Right?
Oh, is the needle gone in?
Oh, we're almost done.
We're actually finished.
Oh, alright.
All right, little stitch there.
Funny.
apparently it didn't hurt a whole lot. All
I
right.
didn't feel a thing.
You didn't feel a thing.
That's
Excellent.
awesome.
Look at there. Nice little one. Okay, what we're going to do for you, we're going to put a little ointment on that, okay? And put a dressing on it. And basically, in a couple of days, you can take the dressing off. It can get wet when you shower. Just don't scrub right on that area, okay?
Alright.
And in about a week, you come back in. We'll take those stitches out for you. Okay?
All right.
Good job.
Alrighty, bye.
Bye.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
In your own words, tell us your experience with Meta 7.
Oh my goodness, I have a lot more energy, a lot more focus. I can go longer throughout the day without getting tired. I love it. I recommend it to everybody that I know.
Do you feel artificial? Do you feel like you've taken a stimulant of some kind when you take it?
No.
You feel natural?
Very natural.
No
I
jitter,
feel,
jittery?
very healthy, very natural.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I just reordered a 90-day supply. I have more energy, am in a better mood.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description. Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.